Hi, my name is Kent Trammell and I'm a Blender instructor for CGCookie.com. Today I'm excited to invite you to join a Blender class for the month of March that centers around stylized character creation. This class format is unique in that it combines several different CGCookie features into a cohesive, communal learning experience. For the entire month of March, you, me, and your classmates are all focused on exploring the same topic together. The curriculum is broken down into weekly subtopics where participants are assigned pre-recorded content to watch, they're invited to join the hour-and-a-half live stream, and there's homework to complete. And after 4 back-to-back weeks of this, there's no way you won't learn a ton about stylized character creation. This is an intermediate to advanced level class with a lot of info to take in, as well as a lot of work to do in that 4 weeks. But by the end of March, you'll have a stylized character modeled and painted, all done with Blender. And I'll be building a character alongside you, which you'll see come to life during the live events. This class is available to all citizen members, and March is only a few days away, so grab a membership if you don't already have one, check out the class homepage in the community forums, and I'll see you in the first live event on March 6th.